When punching and laser cutting are combined in a single machine, there is a wider range of production capabilities. The innovative ACIES series punch laser combination machine boasts extremely fast hit rates, versatile punch processing, and the unlimited shape cutting flexibility of a laser. With 33 tons of punching force, an automatic tool changer, and various material handling solutions, the ACIES takes productivity to a higher level. The list of innovative features begins with the 32-station ZR turret. The lower turret is recessed under the brush table. As a sheet is being processed and the turret rotates to use a different tool, its corresponding die will rise through a window on the brush table. This allows for a uniform pass line, which is key, especially since forming dies usually sit higher than other dies and can scratch the bottom of the sheet. The retractable die stations and full brush table allow for downforming of special features such as extrusions and tabs, a process that is normally difficult with an ordinary turret configuration. The ZR turret comes with 4 tapping stations which accept either standard or metric taps. The tool storage rack handles the automatic replacement of tooling, and it is available in 179 or 300 tool configurations. Its functions help boost your productivity by managing tooling based on their unique laser-etched ID. When a tool is initially loaded into the storage unit, it gets scanned and stored so that it can be ready the next time it needs to be used. The ID allows for the tracking of each tool's hit count, how much it's been sharpened, and remaining life. All of this information is stored electronically and can be viewed on a web-based server. While the machine is punching, tools are staged on the buffer turret. Once the machine is ready to use those tools, they are automatically exchanged, even during laser cutting. This tool storage rack allows the ACIES to maximize efficiency and minimize downtime. There are 2 table sizes available on the ACIES, and they come standard with brushes that help reduce noise levels and eliminate scratching on the material. Each table size supports sheets up to 1/4 inch thick and incorporate a large trap door, which can be used to remove parts and scrap very effectively. The AM&C control is loaded with many features which allow operators to easily operate and maintain the machine. It's a Windows-based system that can retrieve programs through your company's network. All of the information that the operator needs to see is displayed on a user-friendly interface. Easily keep track of maintenance intervals with the maintenance panel, and also set up email notifications for machine alerts and jobs in progress. For laser cutting, the control comes with a preset library of cutting conditions which can be customized and saved. The ACIES features the latest and most reliable 4 kilowatt laser technology, the FANUC 4000 IC resonator. Its rapid standby mode reduces power consumption and chiller demands. This specially designed resonator processes a wide variety of materials and thicknesses. With all of these standard features on the ACIES, we also offer multiple automation options, from part unloading to multiple shelf towers. Options that give you customized flexibility and allow you to take your shop's production rate to a higher level. Contact your local Amada sales representative and learn more about the ACIES series punch laser combination machine.